Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and I am here to show you a plain caramel pudding, which I will be doing it in oven. So again I need 3 eggs and 1 glass of water. So this is plain caramel pudding. And 1 glass of water, 1 glass of milk. So here goes the milk in the mixer. Let's put our egg. So here goes the egg. So 3 eggs for 1 glass of milk. You can put more eggs also. My brother used to put 9 eggs for 1 glass of milk. That's how it was been taught for him in his IHM. So earlier we used to do that at home. It comes very big, 9 eggs and then 1 glass of milk. It's like very heavy. So it's up to you. Now sugar we'll add. So here it goes like around again 6 tablespoons. So I am putting this. So sweetness, please you can check your sweetness, how sweet you want. And in this I will be adding the condensed milk also. So this is like I have taken around 2 big tablespoons, it's not much, 2 big tablespoons of condensed milk. Again this is optional, if you don't want, you don't use. So now here it is all gone. Now I will whip this nicely, okay, or you can say blend it or whip, whatever you want to use the term. So here is my this caramelized sugar which is there, and it's now hard. So I've kept for 10 minutes, okay. And caramel pudding is very easy actually. Basically you need only eggs, sugar and milk. Additional, if you are adding condensed milk and vanilla essence, that is up to you. And you have to just whip that together, that's it. And your custard is over here, which is I have. Now we can. My brother used to remove this out, okay, all, but I always did with this way only, and let it go inside this, okay. So now this will go in oven. This will go in oven. We have to cover this with silver foil. Put water in this on the oven tray. Preheat the oven on 175 degree. Okay, so you have to preheat the oven for 175 degrees for 10 minutes. So I will show you that. So this is water in the tray, and we'll keep this over here, and then we'll take silver foil and cover this. and cover this from all sides tight. Whatever extra we can cut this. I've cut the extra away. Cover this nicely. And then we put this tray in the oven for 45 minutes in the oven. Okay? And our caramel pudding will be ready. So 45 minutes we have to put it in the oven, preheated oven on 175 degrees Celsius. And 375 it is F. So mostly my oven is having only C. So it will be 175 C. Okay. So here it is now in oven for around 175 degree C for 45 minutes. Okay. So I will be putting for 45 minutes. So it is 20. So here go, I will keep it for 45 minutes. I have kept on. Okay. So now it will be for 45 minutes, and then once it is done, I will take it out, let it come to room temperature, then I will put it in the fridge, and next day I will demold it. So till then, see you again. Thank you so much. So this is come out of the fridge, and here it is, nicely set. Again same thing, just put a knife around. This is plain caramel pudding. And now we'll take this plate and we will turn this. And here it is. So this is plain caramel pudding. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you so much. I will cut and I will show you. So this is how it is. Wow.